Jack Smith who released this today. It was the judge. But Jim, you represented Trump on this issue. So when Trump is claiming and his team is arguing everything that was done was in his official capacity as president, therefore they've argued none of this can go to trial. The special counsel saying it's hard to imagine stronger evidence that conduct is private than when the president excludes his White House counsel and only wishes to have his private counsel present. I mean, if it's White House business, why would the chief attorney in the White House not be allowed in the room?
Right. You know, what's great about that is what follows next are what would traditionally be covered by attorney-client privilege communications. There is no executive privilege, no attorney-client privilege in the mind of Jack Smith during this whole investigation. He had to go to a new grand jury to clean up the indictment, to straighten it out in terms of the potential for what was going to be admissible at this trial and what's going to be fought over in a hearing. And if he's made one mistake from appellate review, if any of this is an overreach, it's not just that he had something inadmissible, it's contaminating the grand jury. So this really reeks of kind of, you can call it optimism, you can call it desperation, but this is an effort to get his whole story out, to hope that the trial judge will agree with him 100% across the board, and to have the public opinion sway on various quotes from various people. And look, maybe some of these folks have it right. Maybe he said things that were frustrated that he never should have said. Maybe they've got an axe to grind. But you're talking about the politicized process of challenging an election very publicly in many instances by this president, becoming the new ground for criminal prosecution, not for insurrection, but for insurrection light. So there's just so many problems with this special counsel. And by the way, keep in mind, you've got a motion coming to track the Florida motion that got rid of that case for appointments clause. Insurrection light is a new one. We'll see where that goes from there. Thank you so much, Jim Trusty. I do want to take us now to the comment that Donald Trump made on camera.